Welcome to your secure MirageID browser. Once you've downloaded the browser, you're all set to input your login and password information. As you can see, we have all of our newly created identities here and ready to use. Each identity has its own unique IP address, creating a layer between your computer and the websites you visit so that your information stays safe and secure. To select the one you want to open, click the blue Open button on the identity. And we're in. As you can see, it looks and functions just like a regular browser. Opening and logging into websites is as simple as ever. Switching between identities takes seconds, and no information can be traced between the identities. Just click the identity name in the top right corner and select the identity you want to open next. Multiple identities can be opened at the same time. With great features such as unlimited users, a password manager, and whitelist filters, you can set up your MirageID identities exactly as you like so that you can work smoothly.